Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back friends. This is a 32-inch HD-ready LED TV. As usual in this TV, the complaint is no display issue. While tapping on the screen here you can see the backlight flashing. This means that backlight is okay here. The complaint is with the panel. Here this TV comes with a 32-inch single-COF Samsung panel with SM4186 Dc IC. Here, due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel, the DC-DC IC goes to protection mode. Because of this reason, this panel doesn't generate any basic panel voltages like VGH-VGL, AVDD, etc. other than 12 volt, 3.3 volt, 1.8 volt. The panel shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the panel. If both sides of panel is short, then it's difficult to repair. However, we can repair this TV panel by a temporary solution, with help of blocking the Gatesignals using cutting method. These are the Gatesignals tracks from right side. Now first we are going to cut down the right side Gatesignals tracks. After cutting right side Gatesignals, if picture comes, then do nothing. If the complaint remains same, so in that situation we need to rejoin the cutted tracks completely on that side, then cut down the other remaining left side tracks. Here, after cutting right side Gatesignals in this panel, the complaint remains same. So here we rejoined those cutted tracks, and after that here we cut down the left side Gatesignal tracks. After this, now here you can see the results. The picture comes and all panel voltages are okay. Now remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.